Alright, hey everybody, and welcome to the February 2017 episode of the Modality APAC Perspective. I've just come back from a massive week up on the Gold Coast recently for Microsoft Ignite Australia 2017, where we had a huge 4 days full of IT Pro tech content presented by both Microsoft speakers, speakers from partners like us, and also the really good customer stories. And there was a good focus on Skype for Business at Ignite this year. Out of the 25 sessions within the productivity track, there were 3 Skype for Business sessions. And probably what I'll do today is just spend a bit of time going through each of those, a bit of a recap on the state of the nation around Skype for Business in Australia based on Ignite. So I had 3 sessions there. First was all about Cloud PBX presented by myself. Second was a single pane of glass for management of Skype for Business presented by Anton Krantz, who's a senior program manager from Microsoft Corp in Redmond, who flew down for the event. And then also Skype for Business in meeting rooms presented by the guys from ICOM, Justin O'Meara and James Frost. So to start on my session, what I presented on was pretty much the kind of soup to nuts of everything with Cloud PBX, from the planning phase to a demo of what the client actually looks like, through to having one of our customers come on stage with us. Pete Turnbull from BAI Communications, who's one of the Australian early adopters of Cloud PBX, come on and talk about his session. And then I covered everything that you need to know about how to plan for a successful deployment, actually deliver the right topology based on your needs and what your current state and future state is looking like. And then things like supporting and managing that environment as well, ongoing, to make sure that it's as healthy as it can be, that users feel supported along the way. Then Anton's session was all about providing IT pros with an experience that they can bet their job on when it comes to actually reporting, supporting, managing, monitoring, and troubleshooting Skype for Business online. Because when it comes to having call quality problems or troubleshooting conferencing issues, you really do need that depth of analytics and insight to understand where it is on your environment that problem occurred, so you can pinpoint it and solve it then and there and stop it from happening again in the future. And then third session around Skype meetings was really covering the whole kind of breadth and depth of meeting room solutions that work with Skype for Business, because a lot of the times we get asked by customers, well, I'm moving to Skype for Business, but what do I actually do for my meeting rooms, and how do I enable the video conferencing experience in a small huddle room through to a large boardroom? And so the guys from ICOM spent some time going through the device options and how to set that up to make sure that conferencing experience is as good as it can be. So if you missed any of those sessions, you didn't have an opportunity to come and join us on the sunny Gold Coast, all of those sessions are available to view online on the Channel 9 website hosted by Microsoft. You can download the slide decks, view back the video, and experience it all for yourself. So that's all I've got for this week on the APAC perspective, but hope everybody has a great rest of February, awesome March, and we'll see you back again next month. And if you want to get in touch with me, you can hit me up on Twitter at Justin Morris without the N, or a Modality account at Modality Systems. So thanks for tuning in, guys. See you again next month.